Back in 1970, the muscle car wars were at their peak. Cars like the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, and Dodge Charger were dominating the streets and headlines. But then, something unexpected appeared. A car from a company known more for luxury than raw speed. And somehow, this quiet contender turned out to be one of the most powerful muscle cars of its time. This was the 1970 Buick GSX, and it shocked the entire muscle car world. The muscle car nobody saw coming. When people thought about performance in 1970, Buick wasn't the first brand that came to mind. Most buyers associated Buick with smooth rides and comfortable luxury sedans. But behind the scenes, Buick engineers had a different idea. They wanted to build a car that could compete directly with the biggest names in the muscle car world. So they took the already powerful Buick GS and turned it into something far more aggressive. The result was the GSX, a limited production performance monster. The monster under the hood. What made the GSX truly special was its engine. Under the hood sat the legendary 455 cubic inch Stage 1 V8. Officially, Buick rated it at 360 horsepower. But many experts believe the real number was actually much higher. The real story wasn't just horsepower. It was torque. The GSX produced a massive 510 lb-ft of torque, which at the time was one of the highest torque ratings of any American muscle car. That meant brutal acceleration and incredible pulling power. In fact, many street racers quickly realized something surprising. This Buick could outrun some of the most famous muscle cars of the era. A bold and aggressive design. The GSX didn't just perform like a monster. It looked like one too. The car came with bold racing stripes, hood scoops, and a rear spoiler that made it instantly recognizable. The most famous color was the bright and aggressive Saturn Yellow. But there was also another rare option, Apollo White. Everything about the design screamed performance. The hood even featured functional air scoops that helped feed the massive V8 engine underneath. This wasn't just a luxury car anymore. This was Buick's statement to the muscle car world. Rare, fast, and legendary. Despite its incredible performance, the GSX remained extremely rare. In 1970, Buick produced only around 678 GSX models. That limited production made the car instantly special. Today, surviving GSX cars are highly valuable collector vehicles. Many enthusiasts consider the Stage 1 GSX to be one of the greatest muscle cars ever built. And for collectors, owning one is like owning a piece of muscle car history. Why the GSX still matters today? The reason the GSX is so respected today is simple. It proved that performance could come from unexpected places. While other brands focused purely on aggressive marketing and racing image, Buick quietly built a machine that could compete with the best of them. The GSX showed that real power doesn't always come from the loudest name in the room. Sometimes, it comes from the car nobody expected. The 1970 Buick GSX wasn't just another muscle car. It was a surprise, a powerhouse, and a legend hiding in plain sight. And decades later, it still stands as proof that in the golden age of muscle cars, even a Buick could dominate the streets.